Wheels add beauty and style to a car, but when the clear coat starts peeling, they can look old and damaged. Luckily, here are some simple and easy ways to remove peeling clear coat on wheels. Firstly, spray wheel cleaner on your car wheel and make sure it properly covers the entire surface. After that, remove the center cap and spray cleaner into the hole. Then, scrub the wheel with a brush and wash it using a pressure washer. Leave the surface to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, use a grinder on the surface, and you will see the clear coat peeling off. Make sure to remove all the clear coat from the wheel. Finally, apply a clear coat aerosol to the wheel, and this will give it a shiny finish. Spray cleaner and scrub the area with a brush. Then, wash it with water to remove all the dust and grime from the wheels. Next, spray a paint stripper on the surface, as this will help to remove the peeling clear coat from the wheel. Leave it for 10 minutes. After that, scrape off the clear coat with a plastic scraper, which will clear the surface without scratching it. Use a brush to scrub the surface again to remove any remaining residue from the wheel. This method will remove the clear coat in no time. One common method to remove peeling clear coat is sanding. Start with coarse sandpaper, such as 320 grit, to remove the damaged coat. After that, move to finer sandpaper, like 600 to 1000 grit, to smooth the surface. Sanding removes the old clear coat and prepares the wheel for a fresh finish. Always sand evenly so the wheel looks neat. Next, clean the surface with a microfiber cloth and apply aluminum polish on the surface using your fingers. Then, buff the surface with a polisher machine and spread the polish evenly on all sides. Finally, wipe the area with a microfiber cloth, and you will see that the wheel looks like new. Apply aircraft remover on the wheel with a microfiber cloth and leave it for 15 minutes. After that, wash the wheel with water, and the clear coat will come off. Then, scrub the area with wet sandpaper, and wipe it with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any residue. Polish the wheel with a polisher to give it a proper shine. You will see that the wheel looks brand new again. Once you have removed the peeling clear coat, the wheel surface will be bare. You can leave it as it is, or apply a new clear coat for protection. A fresh clear coat will keep your wheels shiny and protect them from dirt, moisture, and sunlight. With these methods, you can remove the peeling clear coat on wheels and give them a new look again, making your car look fresh and well cared for.